it's me and my brother, and we are doing an awesome train video. So we're going to run these trains all around this whole track that we built, and it's going to be really awesome. Hit it! Sometimes they're very slow, but that's okay.
Well, you can see right now the conductor's driving a train.
Yeah, there's a little
he's
tiny
carrying
person
a
in
stop
there.
Sign.
Yes, he's carrying a stop sign in the little caboose.
What we built right here works very good.
Yep, it does. And now it's going onto the big plant.
Another train.
It's an old rusty train. And now he's going under the bridge.
Look under the bridge.
Do you see him in there? There he is. Oh, the stop sign fell. Stop the train! Stop the train! You better go pick up that stop sign. It fell out in there. Thanks.
And now we're going to go backwards.
Doo-doo.
Uh-oh, the train stopped.
Someone fix it.
I don't know what's wrong.
Shouldn't we just make it go forward so we don't have to worry about this problem? There. Oh, the stop sign's too big for it, so it won't go in there. So it's going to keep falling out. It's still in there.
But we can just put it back in.
True. Did you know that there's no backwards or forwards with trains?
As you can see, here's the remote. I just hold it backwards, and then this is the stop, and you just leave it. To go forward, you just make it go that way.
But now we're going to make it go backwards.
Uh-oh, we went the wrong way.
You better turn
You
it.
gotta turn that.
There we go. This is an awesome train track, don't you think? Write down in the comments below if you really like this train track and trains, and so you can see more.
After this, you'll see more trains.
Yeah, we actually have two more, and one of them's sort of a car, but that's okay. It still works. It's going back to the train station.
Toot, 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 toot. We'll just let him fall off the track to get out of here.
It can't move anymore.
Yep.
So now it's off the track.
Off the track.
What train are we going to do next?
We're going to do
The yellow train?
the yellow train. Just put that on the track. Put that there.
And we need the yellow remote now.
Which is right here.
Of course.
Put that.
There's a guy in there, so. And that's Mater's remote right there. The car. And you can see he's carrying some logs of wood and some cement in his little carriage. In his carrying trains. Oh, there's another guy in there. He's going up track.
And he goes over the bridge.
Woo! We actually made a train track before that you could go under this bridge down here. You can go under it. with the train tracks. Oh, now he's gonna go in there. Train. Oh, there you are.
Oh God.
Oh, stop the train. I know how to fix this.
Uh-oh.
Oh, malfunctioning. The trains fell off.
And
The
this
old
is why
rusty
you
train.
don't put a train on your over your train track.
Well, I think I know what the problem was. The guy's not sitting down, and this thing's up, so it can't go through. So you should put the guy sitting down. Yeah, there we go. Okay,
So we stopped right here because it was messed up.
there.
Now, you guys go.
Yay. He's all better.
Ow, gotta stop!
And you
Now
can
we're
see
gonna
that
go
the train
backwards.
tracks. You can see that the train tracks are very detailed. Oh, and there they go again. Under the bridge. Let's catch him. He just went over to the very big bush. Connor just fixed the track.
Uh-oh, looks like we have another problem.
What is it?
I think we have to put the train track together.
Oh, it came undone?
I think.
So as he's fixing that, look at this. It's a little lever. And you could pick up the little
Hey,
blocks.
we're better now.
Oh, that's good. Oh, look, there's a little ladder on the back. That's so adorable. It's going back home.
Going back to the train station.
There they go, back home. All the way back at the train station. Look, it has a little sign about the trains. That's cute. And you can see this is
There.
made by Fisher
We're
Price.
done with this.
Hold on
We're
a second.
done with the yellow train.
Fisher Price, yeah.
We're done with the yellow train right now.
Okay, so what's the last train?
It's Mater. He's a really fast one.
Yep.
It's
He
like
went
going
off the track.
backwards.
Nice.
Ah,
He's super fast, actually. See? Faster than the other trains.
going up the bridge.
So he's looking and scanning to see if any of the trains are stuck, which we know they aren't, but he's just double checking.
If you wanna like this video, I made a mistake. That's not what I wanted to say. Now we're going backwards.
Yep. Oh, and there's the old rusty train. And there's Mater.
He's going backwards.
Oh no, he's going to hit me. Oh, poop. I moved. Yes, I moved. He's going around the P-shaped track. So it looks like a P. See, it's going like around. And then it's like straight.
Oh yeah, so when you stand here,
Yeah.
it's like a T.
Yeah, it does.
And he's gonna fall right off the track.
Boom. Awesome trains.
This is not the end of the video yet.
Oh.
We still got the same 3 trains, but with different carts on them.
You're gonna mix
now
up the
we're gonna
carts?
Do this one again, but with not just one red cart, with 2 yellow carts.
Oh.
These 2 go with this. We're gonna switch